Yes, sir. Now start.
Okay, good morning, everyone. It's an honor and privilege to me to welcome today's resource person, Dr. Dheeraj Oval sir, and our principal sir, Dr. Oval sir, who give an opportunity to introduce our today's resource person from NSS College of Commerce and Economics, Tarde, Mumbai. I am Bhushan Thakur, you know very well, and I am introducing our faculty exchange program first of all shortly. Then we will move further. See, of IQAC and Department of Commerce of Veer Vajikar College, Pune, and with the collaboration with IQAC Department of Commerce and of NSS College, Mumbai, jointly organized faculty exchange program, which is starting from today, from 2nd of September up to the 4th of September. Uh, these 3 days, we are having three good personalities as a resource person for the various subjects like advertising, accountancy and financial management, and management accounting. So this is our program which we are having in the next 3 days. Okay. Now, today we have first day of the faculty exchange program. On the behalf of Veer Vajikar College, again I would like to thank and welcome our resource person. So now, without wasting much time, I would like to introduce today's resource person. So today's resource person is Dr. Dheeraj Oval sir. As per sir's education purpose or concern, sir completed MCom, MBA, SET, NET, NET JRF, and PhD. Sir is a PhD holder, and sir presented so many papers in the various seminars. So, as per the as per his education as well as per sir's experience concern, sir is having more than 15 years teaching experience. So students, let's get the benefit of the sir's knowledge. And now I would like to tell sir, please start your session. I'm ending my introduction. Hello, sir.
Yes, yes. Thank you, Bhushan sir, for such a nice introduction. Am I audible? All of you, can you listen me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, Bhushan sir, please allow me to share the screen. Shall I
Yes,
share the screen,
sir.
Bhushan sir?
Now you can share your stage.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
sir. You can
Thank you,
share
sir.
now. And my request to all the students, please mute yourself while teaching, sir.
Yeah, is it visible to all of you? Can you see the screen? Full
Yes,
size?
yes,
Yeah, give me the confirmation.
yes,
Thank you,
sir.
sir. First of all, I would like to say thank you and express my deep sense of gratitude to the management as well as the principal of Dr. Saibra Oval, Veer Vajekar Arts Science Commerce College, Raigad, Navi Mumbai, for taken the initiative, and we have collaboratively organized the faculty exchange program. I, Dr. Dheeraj Joval, would like to thank you, the teaching faculty of the Veer Vajekar College. They have already taken the 3 lecture for our students also, and today we have started the first lecture for the SY become students of the Veer Vajekar Arts, Science and Commerce College. So I, Dr. Dheeraj Joval, would like to welcome all my SY become students. Now, students, I am going to start my session. As I mentioned, first of all, I would like to welcome all my participants for the online advertising subject lecture. I, Dr. Dheeraj Oval from NSS College and Commerce, would like to welcome to all of you. And now, students, you can see what is the flow of my presentation. Within the 1 hour, I think so, it will be extended for 10 or 15 minutes more. What can I going to teach you? Now, look at the first one, the overview of advertising. What do you mean by the advertising? We have seen the advertisement on lot on the television. We have seen the advertisement in the newspaper. In outdoor, we can, as soon as we can out of the house, we can say poster banner everywhere. Now we are using the WhatsApp, social media, internet, everywhere we have seen the advertising. Let us think about the advertising. What do you mean by the advertising? And as per our syllabus, the topic number 1, introduction to advertising. Advertising nature. What are the characteristics of the advertising? What are the elements of the advertising? What are the natures of the advertising? In a simple and your common language, we can say what are the features of advertising. Then I would like to tell you about the who are the parties which are directly, indirectly related in advertising process. That is called the active participants of advertising. Then who are the member, who are the parties, who are the person involved in advertising. The next for the few 5 minutes we are going to speak about. I would like to show you some of the case study, audio, video clips also. We know very well about the Parle G biscuit, the common biscuit, and we are going to show some of the audio video. And the second last, we can say we have the lot of the puzzles also. In my lecture, I'm going to start with my topic with a lot of the puzzles, brainstorming sessions, and even also the last we are going to online games also related about the advertising, your general knowledge. We have the conscious and subconscious mind, and we have the capacity to listen the lecture not more than 45-30 minutes, etc. To break the chain, we can give the some excitement to the students. I always been using the certain kinds of the puzzles. Even also today at the end of the session we are going to see the sum of the puzzles and we are going to solve that one also. And the last parts, obviously whatever you are having any doubt, any query, whatever the questions in your mind, you are going to solve with the question answer session also. Now we are going to start for the advertising lecture. Now look at the year. As per the semester 3 syllabus for the Mumbai University, I would like to highlight the which are the topics are the part of the advertising syllabus. The first one, introduction to advertising, overview of the advertising, the features, characteristics, advantages, what are the parties, what are the authority, who is going to control the advertising, we are going to see under here. Then ad agency, what is the main function of the ad agency, who are the person work in ad agency, what are the types of the ad agency available, we are going to see under the second model. Economic and social aspect of advertising. Every coin has a two side, everything has a two side, plus and minus. Then we are going to see here advertising as a perspective of the economic, advertising as a perspective of the social, whether it's affect positively or negatively, we are going to see under the third module. And the last one is about the brand building and the special purpose of advertising. The name it's indicate the brand, the difference between the product and brand. I can give the one of the best example. If I am going to purchase a 2 rupees ball pen, if I am going to purchase 5 rupees Lexi ball pen, for the 2 rupees ball pen I am going to write on the notebook, 5 rupees ball pen I am going to write on the notebook. Both are having the same function, both are having the same features. For the 2 rupees ball pen, that is called as a product, and 5 rupees ball pen, that is a Lexi ball pen, that is called as a brand. Then you have to tell me what is the exactly difference between the product and brand. Normally we have a vada pav, samosa pav, we are using that pav. Pav is called as a product, but we are going to purchase a sandwich, that's your whips bread, that comes under the brand. Both are eatable item. If you are going to purchase the misal pav, exactly you have to pay the more than 30, 40, 50 rupees. But at the same time, if you are going to purchase whips bread, less than I think so 28 rupees the cost is that. But whips bread we are going to say as a brand, that pav is called as a product. What are the exactly difference? And the special purpose of advertising, what are the special purpose of advertising? We have seen the corona vaccination, corona awareness, plus polio, these kind of the advertising we have seen everywhere, blood donation, these are ideas we are promoted through the advertising. Then under the fourth module, these are the functions, these are the features we are going to see. But due to the one lecture, today I'm going to tell you about the first module, introduction to advertising, and I'm going to try to complete at least 2 questions. Then what are the 2 questions? Now look at the year first one. Write a meaning, definition, and features of advertising. And today I'm going to not teach you in a thoroughly in a theoretical manner. I would like to tell you how you can recollect all the 13 features within the 5 minutes. How you can recollect, how you can remember, how you can by heart all the 13 features of the advertising with the one of the techniques I would like to show here. आज मैं आपको एडवर्टाइजिंग का जो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन था कि मीनिंग, डेफिनेशन एंड द फीचर्स, टुडे आई एम नॉट गोइंग इन डिटेल्स, मैं पूरा डिटेल्स में नहीं जाऊंगा, बट आई वुड लाइक टू टेल यू how to memorize, how to recollect, how to remember. All these are the 13 features. What are the techniques I am using from my college level to up to the as a professor level? I would like to show in front of my students. Now let us hear. यानी हम लोग विद इन द 5 to 10 minutes में 13 फीचर्स बाहर करेंगे, मेमोराइज करेंगे, उनके बारे में सुनेंगे, यानी किस तरह से आपको याद रखना है एग्जैक्टली। इफ यू आर गोइंग टू कंप्लीट द 5 पेजेस, अगर आपने 5 पेजेस पढ़ा है किसी भी थियरी बुक का, आई वुड लाइक टू डिफरेंशिएट हियर, practice make a perfection. In accountancy subject, we have to solve the problem continuously. We have to do the practice, and we have to understand the entry, and we have to understand the double effect of that one. But in a theory, after reading the 5 pages or 10 pages, you have to prepare one nutshell summary within the 1 pages, within the few lines, then you can get all the idea. And accountancy में हम लोग practice करेंगे, then we can become the perfection. But in a theory lecture, for your advertising, marketing, economics, whatever you are going to read, at the end you are going to make a summary, you are going to make in a nutshell. यानी हमें याद होना चाहिए, पिक्चराइज होना चाहिए माइंड में। अगर मैंने 4 पेजेस पढ़ा है तो उसका 4 लाइन में आई वांट टू प्रिपेयर दैट आंसर, दैट्स टेक्निक, दैट समरी, दैट नटशेल आई वुड लाइक टू शो यू। एंड लुक एट द हियर, the first one, we are going to go for the first question, and we have give the some time with not more than 10 minutes. We are going to see the 13 features. Let's give me the support, then I would like to show you how you can remember, and as well as we can do the questions also. Write a meaning, definition, features of advertising. Our basic question, the meaning. The word advertising come from Latin word advertere. Whatever I have highlighted in a yellow words, you have to remember that one. आपको याद क्या करना है, जो मैंने हाईलाइट किया हुआ है, you have to remember that one. Latin word advertere, and advertising word कहाँ से लिया हुआ है? The Latin word advertere. The meaning is that to turn the mind towards, आपका दिमाग घुमा लेना, आपका दिमाग खींच लेना. Just keep in mind 2 words, सिर्फ 2 ही words याद रखो. Latin word advertere, and the meaning is that to turn the minds towards, यानी दिमाग खींच लेना किसी के तरफ. You have to force the advertising force to see the advertisement, and the meaning is that the primary goal of advertising to attract the attention of audience and induce them, force करना, induce them to purchase advertising product and service. Now it's a common thing. आपको खींच लेंगे, आपको फोर्स किया जाएगा, जो एडवर्टाइजिंग में प्रोडक्ट और सर्विस दिखाए आपको खरीद लेना है एग्जैक्टली। तो मीनिंग में क्या याद रखना है आपको? लैटिन वर्ड एडवर्टरे टू टर्न द माइंड्स टूवर्ड्स, सिर्फ 3 वर्ड याद रखो। लैटिन वर्ड था, एडवर्टरे था, टू टर्न द माइंड्स टूवर्ड्स था, और एडवर्टाइजिंग क्या कर रहा है? आपका अट्रैक्शन खींच रहा है और आपको इंड्यूस कर रहा है, आपको फोर्स कर रहा है। लुक एट द हियर, इंड्यूस देम, they are going to induce them, they are going to force them to see the advertisement, and you are going to purchase the product. This is the basic information of the meaning. Now let us go for the definition. The definition in a textbook, we have the 5 to 10 definition, but I have selected only American Marketing Association definition. The reason behind that, within the definition we are going to see the 4 features. Definition के अंदर मुझे 4 features मिलने वाले, and what are the features? That one we are going to say that one, any paid form. अगर advertisement करना है तो मुझे paid करना होगा. If I am going to show my advertisement on television, I have to pay the money. If I want to give my advertisement in a newspaper, I have to pay the newspaper. If tomorrow I want to put a poster and banner, etc., I have to pay for the printing houses, etc. Then we can say advertising paid form, you have to pay. It's not a free. Publicity is a free form. Advertising means any paid form, non-personal presentation. What is the meaning for that one? Personal, you have mobile phone, that's your personal thing. If you have a lot of the things, that's your personal thing. But advertising is a non-personal presentation. It's applicable to all the common people. For example, अगर आपके घर में टेलीविजन है, if we have a television at the home, अगर हम लोगों ने कौन सा भी चैनल स्टार्ट कर दिया एग्जैक्टली, एंड देयर इज एडवर्टाइजमेंट इज गोइंग ऑन दैट चैनल, एंड दोज हु आर द पीपल इन सिटिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ द टेलीविजन, they are going to see that advertisement. Then we can say advertising is applicable to all the people. It's not a personal thing. Salesmanship is a personal thing. The salesman can take your appointment, he directly visit your home or office, and he going to give the demo about the product. But here it's a non-personal presentation. For example, in your college we have a NSS unit. अगर NSS unit ने वहाँ पे blood donation campaign का poster, there is a blood donation campaign arranged by the NSS unit. They have put the poster and banner in front of the gate, and you know very well about those who are the FY people, SY people, TY become people, your science faculty, arts faculty, your teaching, non-teaching staff, your securities, POT, are all going to see that one. Even also those who are the people passer by your nearby your college, they can also see that one. Then we can say advertising is applicable to all. It is a non-personal presentation. Promotion of ideas, goods and services. Ideas, blood donation, pulse polio campaign. Nowadays if you are making call to any person, before the opposite person is going to pick your phone, you have to hear corona awareness campaign. अभी हम लोग किसी को भी फोन करेंगे, सामने वाला पर्सन फोन उठाने से पहले हमें किसकी एडवर्टाइजमेंट सुननी मिलती है? कोरोना वैक्सीनेशन, 6 फुट की गज, लॉट ऑफ द वैक्सीनेशन करो, लॉट ऑफ द कोरोना वैक्सीन अवेयरनेस, दैट इज कॉल्ड आर द आइडियाज. Goods advertising, your Samsung mobile phone, Jio mobile phone, lot of the product, goods product we can see, we can touch. And services, your transport, banking, hotel, etc. We have gone through these types of the advertisement. By identified sponsor, at the end of the advertisement we can easily identify the sponsor. If there is a Jio advertisement, we know very well about the sponsor, the seller, the manufacturer is the Reliance company. If there is a Nano advertisement, Indica advertisement, Hexa advertisement, these are the four-wheeler which is manufactured by the Tata. Tata is the owner, that is called the advertiser or sponsor. If now I would like to go for that one, look at the first screen. Even also you can enlarge your mobile screen also. तो यहाँ पे याद क्या करना है, मीनिंग में सर ने सिर्फ 3 वर्ड बोला था. एक लैटिन वर्ड याद रखो, एडवर्टर याद रखो, to turn the minds towards. क्या होगा? to turn the minds towards होगा. For a examination point of view, multiple choice question, this question will be the part of your examination also. और definition में क्या बोला था? definition we have taken the definition from American Marketing Association, AMA. और definition में क्या दिया था? any paid form, पैसा पे करना है. नॉन पर्सनल प्रेजेंटेशन, ये पर्सनल नहीं होता, सब लोग देखने वाले एडवर्टाइजमेंट. देन प्रमोशन ऑफ आइडिया, गुड्स एंड सर्विस. किस किस का प्रमोशन होगा, किस किस की एडवर्टाइजमेंट होगी? ब्लड डोनेशन भी होगा, पल्स पोलियो भी होगा, कोरोना वैक्सीनेशन होगा. इन्हें आइडियाज कहा जाएगा. हम लोग जियो देखेंगे, लक्सॉप देखेंगे, कोलगेट कहेंगे, इन्हें प्रोडक्ट और गुड्स कहा जाएगा. बैंक होगा, टेलीकम्युनिकेशन होगा, इंश्योरेंस सेक्टर होगा, दीज आर कॉल्ड द सर्विस एडवर्टाइजमेंट कहा जाएगा. और विद इन द एडवर्टाइजमेंट में अगर कोलगेट की टूथपेस्ट होगा, द ओनर इज अ कोलगेट कंपनी, टाटा, रिलायंस एक्सेट्रा, वी कैन इजीली आइडेंटिफाई. देन वी कैन से विद इन द डेफिनेशन वी हैव द 4 फीचर्स. डेफिनेशन में हमें 4 फीचर्स मिल रहा है. वी कैन सी पेड फॉर्म. पहला पेड फॉर्म याद रखो, आई हैव हाईलाइटेड इन येलो. नॉन पर्सनल प्रेजेंटेशन, कोई पर्सनल चीज नहीं होगा, सब लोग ऐड देखेंगे, टीवी पे ऐड चल रहा है, दोज हु आर सिटिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ द टेलीविजन, दोज हु आर द व्यूअर, दे कैन इजीली आइडेंटिफाई. जस्ट अ मिनट. हेलो, हेलो, just a minute. Just a minute. Look at the year. Now look at the year, students. The features, characteristics, natures, objective, essential. Just give me the 1 minute, student. Just give me the 1 minute. There is something is going on. Just give me the 1 minute. Sorry for the disturbance. Yeah, is it visible to all of you, sir? Please give me the confirmation.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Can
Yes,
you
yes,
see?
sir.
Yeah, yeah. Just here is the technique. As I mentioned that one, features, characteristics, natures, objective, essential, these are the synonymous words. यानी हमें यही पता था features को क्या कहा जाएगा, characteristics, that is also called as the nature, objective are the same and the essential are the same, even also elements are the same, all the same. Now look at the here, shortcut to remember. As I mentioned, the definition has the 4 features. What are the 4 features? Paid form था, नॉन पर्सनल प्रेजेंटेशन था, आइडिया गुड्स एंड सर्विस था, और उसके बाद आइडेंटिफाइड स्पॉन्सर था. पेड फॉर्म, नॉन पर्सनल प्रेजेंटेशन है, पेड फॉर्म. एडवर्टाइजिंग, पैसा पे करना होगा. नॉन पर्सनल प्रेजेंटेशन, नॉन पर्सनल प्रेजेंटेशन होगा, यानी सब लोग देखने वाले, एग्जैक्टली नथिंग पर्सनल एक्सेट्रा. आइडिया गुड्स एंड सर्विस होगा एंड आइडेंटिफाइड स्पॉन्सर होगा. एंड द रिमेनिंग पॉइंट with the help of the CAT CAT. Look at the students here. I have mentioned CAT CAT. हम लोगों ने सीखा था CAT CAT. Then A, B, C, D, E, F. These are the 9 features point. We are going to complete the 13 features. With the help of the these are abbreviation CAT CAT A, B, C, D, E, F. We are going to complete the 13 features of the advertising. And look at the here. The first definition has a 4 features. Definition has a 4 features point. Paid form, advertising होगा तो पैसा पे करना है. नॉन पर्सनल प्रेजेंटेशन, यानी नॉन पर्सनल प्रेजेंटेशन होगा, पर्सनल चीज नहीं होगा. अगर आपके कॉलेज में ब्लड डोनेशन ऑर्गेनाइज किया, ऑल द पीपल आर गोइंग टू सी दैट वन. देयर इज नथिंग पर्सनल. आइडिया गुड्स एंड सर्विस होगा, पल्स पोलियो होगा, सैमसंग मोबाइल होगा, banking hoga. We have seen the advertisement. Identified sponsor, within the advertisement we can get the idea who is the sponsor, who is the owner, who is the seller of that company. Then creativity, CAT CAT. Now look at the here, CAT CAT. Creativity, the innovative idea, the new concept is the essential of the advertisement. That is called the creativity. Then all pervasive means applicable to all, whether it's a business organization, non-business organization. The best example, corona vaccination, corona awareness. Who has taken the initiative? The government has taken the initiative. Everywhere we have seen the corona vaccination advertisement, corona awareness advertisement. That is called as all pervasive, applicable to all, whether business and non-business organization. I can give the one of the example. The Reliance mobile बेचेगा, that's a business organization, that's a commercial advertisement. Corona vaccination advertisement is going to do by the government, that is a non-business advertisement. That is called the all pervasive, advertising applicable to all pervasive. Then target market, we have to identify the target market, and there is a lot of the techniques. We are going to go for the market segmentation. I can give the lot of the example also. Then CAT CAT we have completed. Creativity, all pervasive, then target market. Then we can go for A, B, C, D, E, F. A means art, science, and profession. Advertising is an art, advertising is an science, advertising is an profession. I will tell you at the time of the example, the next slide, you can easily identify. Then build image. Advertisement help to build image of the product. Whatever the products I have, with the help of the brand ambassador, the personality we are going to use in that increase the build image of the advertising. The create awareness, corona vaccination, what are the information we are provided in the advertisement. It is not only to attract the attention of the audience, but it is also create awareness. It's also create awareness. Now we have seen the corona vaccination, corona awareness, that is a part of the create awareness. Then diverse group. Now we are the common people. We are purchasing the product, but we are purchasing from where? From retailer shop, from wholesaler shop. Now we can go for the online, we can click on the Amazon, we can click on the Flipkart. We are going to purchase the mobile phone, whatever the product we are going to purchase online platform. There are the various parties are involved: wholesaler, retailer, manufacturer, agent, lot of the middle agent. These are the people are comes under the diverse group. Element of the marketing mix, the marketing mix, product, price, place, promotion. Advertising is a part of the promotion, I will explain. And the last one is the facilitate to the customer. With the help of the advertisement, we can get the better idea. Now I would like to do the one of the example. If I have I'm crazy about the selfie, I'm crazy about the selfie, then I want to purchase any mobile phone, then I know very well about the Oppo is having that kind of the megapixel of that camera, then I'm going to select the Oppo mobile phone. अगर आप क्रेजी होंगे सेल्फी निकालने के लिए, इफ यू वांट द हाई पिक्सल ऑफ द क्वालिटी ऑफ योर पिक्चर्स, और आपको पता होगा द ओप्पो मोबाइल फोन इज द बेस्ट क्वालिटी ऑफ द कैमरा, where how can get the idea? We have got the idea from the advertising, that is called the facilitated to the customer, to help the customer understand its likes, the capacity and buying etc with the help of the advertising. Then you have to remember only definition में 4 features था, and the remaining features we can go through. cat a b c d e f होगा. the definition में कौन सा features था? paid form होगा, non personal presentation है, idea goods and services होगा, identified sponsor होगा, and the remaining with the help of the cat cat, c का मतलब होगा creativity, a means all pervasive, t means target market, then a b c d e f, a means art science and profession, then build image, then C create awareness, D for diverse group, E for element of marketing mix, and F means facilitated to the customer. Then we can say within the 5 minutes I would like to show that one. हम लोगों ने मीनिंग किया था एडवर्टाइजिंग कहाँ से लिया हम लोगों ने? लैटिन वर्ड. क्या मीनिंग था उसका? एडवर्टरे. और एग्जैक्टली मीनिंग क्या होता है? टू टर्न द माइंड्स टूवर्ड्स. यानी मेरे दिमाग में छाप गया एडवर्टाइजिंग कहाँ से लिया हुआ है? लैटिन वर्ड है, एडवर्टर है. उसका मीनिंग क्या होगा? टू टर्न द माइंड्स टूवर्ड्स. एडवर्टाइजमेंट क्या कर रहा है? अट्रैक्ट द अटेंशन. हमें अट्रैक्ट द अटेंशन कर रहा है और हमें फोर्स कर रहा है, इंड्यूस द कस्टमर टू परचेस एडवर्टाइजिंग प्रोडक्ट एंड सर्विस होगा. डेफिनेशन कहाँ से लिया हम लोगों ने? अमेरिकन मार्केटिंग एसोसिएशन. डेफिनेशन में कितने फीचर्स है? द 4 फीचर्स इटसेल्फ इन अ डेफिनेशन. एनी पेड फॉर्म, नॉन पर्सनल प्रेजेंटेशन, प्रमोशन ऑफ आइडिया गुड्स एंड सर्विस बाय आइडेंटिफाइड स्पॉन्सर. यही 4 फीचर्स होंगे और बाकी के फीचर्स विद द हेल्प ऑफ द cat a b c d e f we are going to remember that one. C का मतलब क्रिएटिविटी होगा, कुछ अलग कर दिखाना है. एडवर्टाइजमेंट में कुछ तो अलग होगा. जब तक हम लोग कुछ अलग नहीं दिखाएंगे, नो वन लाइक टू सी आवर एडवर्टाइजमेंट. यू शुड बी अट्रैक्ट द अटेंशन, इट शुड बी इनोवेटिव एंड द क्रिएटिव होना चाहिए. ऑल परवेसिव. अगर हम जियो मोबाइल खरीद रहे, हम लोग सैमसंग मोबाइल खरीद रहे, ओप्पो मोबाइल खरीद रहे, बट साइड बाय साइड वी हैव सीन द एडवर्टाइजमेंट एवरी टाइम. कोरोना वैक्सीनेशन, कोरोना अवेयरनेस, हु इज गोइंग टू डू दैट वन? Government is a non-business organization. Then we can say advertising is applicable to Jio, business organization, corona vaccination, government, non-business organization. That is called as a all pervasive universal application. सर्व व्यापक कहा जाता है उसे. Target market. Now I would like to say that one. If I want to make an announcement here, yes, my dear all SYBCom students, tomorrow onwards I am going to start the 12th classes, and you all of you to join my 12th classes. Can you going to join the 12th classes? No, of course not, because you are now in a SYBCom. You are not the target customer. You are not the target customer. Then we are going to see under here the advertisement. We have to see the target customer. Then आर्ट साइंस एंड प्रोफेशन. एडवर्टाइजमेंट बनाने के लिए आर्ट्स चाहिए. देयर शुड बी द नॉलेज अबाउट द ह्यूमन साइकोलॉजी, साइंस चाहिए. एंड नाउ इट्स अ प्रोफेशनल एक्टिविटी. नाउ वी हैव सीन द lot of the advertisement. There are so many advertisements, so many products. It's a perfect competition, holistic approach of the marketing available in the market. Therefore we have to take the help of the professional people. Then build image hoga. We have using a lot of the brand personality, sports person, then Bollywood actress for the advertisement, that increase the reputation of the product or brand. We can see also. Then create awareness. उससे पता चलेगा, create awareness होगा. Diverse group hoga. A lot of the peoples are involved there. If I am going to purchase the product, not only from a wholesaler, retailer, online, offline, these are the peoples are involved here. Marketing mix ka parts hoga, and facilitated to the customer. F indicated facilitated to the customer. Now all these are the 13 features. I have the next slide, and you can get the very details in idea. Look at the one by one. Paid form. Advertising paid concept है. जो एडवर्टाइजर होगा, सेलर, मैन्युफैक्चरर एंड दोज हु आर द रियल ओनर, दे हैव टू पे, दे हैव टू बियर ऑल द एक्सपेंसेस. अगर टाटा ने 10 करोड़ की एडवर्टाइजमेंट की, टाटा इज गोइंग टू पे द 10 करोड़ टू द एड एजेंसी. एग्जैक्टली, टाटा इज गोइंग टू पे बिकॉज ही इज द ओनर, he is the manufacturer, he is the seller. Advertisement campaign, and he is going to pay the charges to the media also. And look at the last one. Publicity is not a paid form. In this question we can get the multiple choice question. Advertising is a paid form and publicity is a free of cost and not paid form. Now look at the here. If I want to print my advertisement in a time midday paper, I have to pay the money. Midday में अगर advertisement देना है, I have to pay the money. I don't have any option. I have to pay the charges to the midday. The second, if I want to give my advertisement on television, I have to pay the charges to the television. Then even also I want to publish my advertisement in the Times of India, I have to pay the charges to the Times of India. Now students, I would like to tell you about that one. Look at the size of the newspaper. The Midday and the Times of India, both are the newspaper, and you know very well about that one. Midday, that is called as a tabloid size, that is a capsule size, and the Times of India, which is a standard size. The meaning is that the newspaper always printed into two size. One is a standard size and full size of newspaper. If you are going to purchase Times of India, Indian Express, the full paper, the standard paper, that is called the full page paper or standard paper kaha jayega. And the Midday, we are going to see the capsule size, the tabloid size. Then we can say size of the newspaper always in a two. One is a standard, another is a Midday, that is a capsule size or tabloid size. That is the information about the newspaper. Now go for that one, paid form. Then non-personal presentation. As I mentioned earlier, अगर आपके घर में टेलीविजन पे कोई एडवर्टाइजमेंट चल रही है and those who are sitting in front of the television, they are going to see the advertisement. यहाँ पे पर्सनल कोई चीज नहीं होता. If your college is having blood donation camp and you have stick the poster, those who are the passer, those who are the audience, they can see. That is called the non-personal presentation. It is a non-personal presentation and commercial message. The basic idea to convey the message. हमें message पहुंचाना है, blood donation है, advertisement is having the certain product. Then we can go for, and here look at the last one. What is a personal form? Salesmanship is a personal form. Salesman आपकी appointment लेगा. He is going to come your house or your office as per your appointment. He is going to give the demo about the product. Then we can say salesmanship is a personal form. Now look at the here. As I mentioned, if your college is going to organize blood donation camp and you are going to put notice, banner, etc., every people, every student, teaching, non-teaching staff, FY, SY, TY, become art, science, commerce, even also the society people nearby, they can see your poster and banner. It's called as a non-personal presentation. Now look at the here. The people are sitting in front of the television. If there is a chocolate advertisement, it is applicable for the children and the young people, but those who are the senior people, they have to see the advertisement. Then we can say it's applicable to all. It's a non-personal presentation. Nothing is here as a personal. Then we can go for here. Idea, goods and service. It's a simple. Goods means tangible things such as a mobile, car, shops. We have seen the advertisement. Services, intangible services such as a banking, telecommunication, insurance. We know very well about that one. Then ideas, your pulse polio campaign, your blood donation, save girl child, stay safe, stay home, corona awareness. Each and every time we are going to see this kind of the advertisement. Look at the here, the Lux soap. We can see, we can touch, we can use. That is called as a goods advertising. Now look at the here, the Bank of Maharashtra, which comes under the intangible services advertising. And here is your corona safety awareness. कॉल करेंगे तो सामने वाला पर्सन फोन उठाने से पहले हमें हेलो टून समझ में आएगा एग्जैक्टली कोरोना वैक्सीनेशन एग्जैक्टली. आइडियाज एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स आर हियर. नाउ आइडेंटिफाइड स्पॉन्सर. लुक एट द हियर. If the Jio mobile advertisement here, who is the seller, who is the manufacturer, who is the owner? Reliance company. If the Tata Nano, it is actually out of the market now. Tata Nano is here. Who is the owner of the Tata Nano? Who was the owner of the Tata Nano? Tata was the owner of that one. Now look at the here, the Dant Kranti project, and Baba Ramdev is the owner. Patanjali company is the owner for that one. Now look at the here, the owner, seller, manufacturer, a retailer, government organization, hospitals. We can easily identify with the help of the advertisement. हमें पता चलता है अगर कोरोना की एडवर्टाइजमेंट होगी, गवर्नमेंट इज अ स्पॉन्सर. दंत क्रांति की एडवर्टाइजमेंट होगी, पतंजलि इज अ स्पॉन्सर. टाटा नैनो की एडवर्टाइजमेंट होगी, टाटा नैनो इज अ स्पॉन्सर. जियो मोबाइल की एडवर्टाइजमेंट होगी, द रिलायंस इज अ स्पॉन्सर. आइडेंटिफाइड स्पॉन्सर इजीली. This is a Jio mobile phone. This is your Tata Nano car. प्रोडक्शन बंद हुआ है, नाउ इट इज आउट ऑफ मार्केट, नाउ इट्स अ दंत क्रांति प्रोजेक्ट, your toothpaste. And now look at the here, the creativity, it's a innovative or new concept is essential for the advertisement. Just I would like to tell one of the example. Within the 5 minutes of the commercial break, during the any serial, and we know very well about there are more than 10, 20, 30 advertisement we have to encounter. Therefore, how can you remember that advertisement? There is a competition between the advertiser. Therefore, they have to give certain new idea and creativity, because they want to attract the attention of the customer. They want to keep the last longing the memory of our advertisement. Therefore, they have to prepare the different innovative advertisement. Now look at the here, innovative new theme of the advertisement. Your advertisement campaign should be innovative, unique thing. And the, for example, yeah, Zuzu advertisement, Vodafone, IPL, you know very well about the IPL campaign. We have quite famous for that one. And here is your Mentos advertisement, Dimak ki batti jal jaye, exactly. Yeah, slogan we have remembered, the tagline we have remembered easily. Then you should give certain kind of the creativity to attract the attention of the audience, because there are a lot of the advertisement is going on the television. Now we can go for, this is your Zuzu advertisement, the Raju Roy, the creative person from the Bangalore base, and he's from the David and Ogley, the British American company. He has a brain, this advertisement is a brainchild of the Raju Roy. यानी ये जो एडवर्टाइजमेंट बनाई थी, द राजू रॉय इज द मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर फॉर द क्रिएटिव हेड ऑफ द आईपीएल के लिए उन्होंने बनाया था फ्रॉम द बैंगलोर बेस है. नाउ लुक एट द हियर, ऑल परवेसिव and applicable to all. Now you have taken for the SY BCom admission, you have filled the online form. Exactly how can you get the information? Through the notice, through the college website, WhatsApp group, you are have a Google Classroom, you have got the information. Even also I have mentioned that one, Reliance Jio hoga, business hoga, corona vaccination hoga, non-business government organization, that is a indicate advertising is applicable to all the people. That is called as a all pervasive universal application, sarva vyapak hoga. It is applicable for business as well as non-business organization. Our college, our institute comes under the non-business organization. You have taken the admission, you have paid the fees. How can you get the information? Through the notices, through the college website, through the your WhatsApp group, you have got the information. That is called as a all pervasive. And advertisement किया था हम लोगों ने, बच्चों के एडमिशन के लिए नोटिस भेजा था, गूगल क्लासरूम था, गूगल ग्रुप था, व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप था, फेसबुक था, ईमेल भेजा था. These are comes under the all pervasive. Now I have delivered the lecture through your Google Meet. That is also called the all pervasive, applicable to all. Now look at the here, target market. जैसे मैंने मेंशन किया था, if I want to say all the students tomorrow join 12th class, अगर मैंने बोला आप सब 12th class join करेंगे, I have a classes of 12th and you can get the 90% discount, please join my 12th classes. Are you going to join that one? Not possible, because you are now SY BCom students. Before selling the product, I have to identify the target markets. Instead of the 12th class, if I am going to do the advertisement, yes, my dear students, I have a TY BCom classes. If you are going to join my TY BCom classes in the next year, I can give you the 50% discount. That's applicable for you, but not the 12th classes. Then we can say one cannot sell everything to everyone. यानी हम लोग एक ही चीज सब जन को बेच नहीं सकते. We have to identify the customer as per their requirement, as per their likes, as per their buying capacity. Now suppose, look at the here, in a first picture you can see the laptop, and the second picture you can see the notebook. If I am going to say that one, all SY BCom students, you are going to purchase a laptop. Are you going to purchase laptop? No sir, we are not going to purchase a laptop, because we are the plain commerce students. We need a writer notes for the notebook is enough for us. Those who are the MBA students, those who are the professional course students, they are going to purchase a laptop. Then we can say the laptop is for MBA students and the notebook for our college students. Now look at the here, Tata Nano car, then Tata Indica car, and the Tata Safari car. Now you have got the idea. Manufacturer is only one person, is a Tata, but Tata has manufactured the 3 cars. Can you tell me what is exactly that one? Tata Nano car, 1 lakh rupees car, 1 and 2 lakh rupees car. Then Tata Indica, 4 to 5, 6 lakh rupees car, and the Tata Safari, more than 12 and 15 lakh rupees car. Tata Nano 1 और 2 लाख की कार है. टाटा इंडिका 4 और 5 लाख की कार है, और टाटा सफारी, टाटा हेक्सी एसयूवी मॉडल, इट्स मोर देन 10 लाख, 12 लाख, 15 lakhs. What are the difference? ये difference क्यों है? Tata is a manufacturer. He has manufactured the 3 different car. The reason is that the target market, the customers' purchasing capacity, those who are the lower income group, those who are having the less amount, the less money, lower income group, they are going to purchase Tata Nano. Those who are the middle income group, they are going to purchase Tata Indica. And those who are having the upper income group, the rich income group, having the lot of the money, they are going to purchase the Tata Safari and Tata Hexa car. Then we can say lower income, middle income, and the upper income, these are the target on the basis of the, these are the market divided on the basis of the income factor. And as I mentioned that one, as a student, we are under the commerce faculty, we are under the plain commerce, then we are going to purchase notebook. And those who are the MBA students, they are going to purchase laptop. Then we can say target market, we have to identify our customer and we are going to sell our product. Customer ढूंढना है और हमें product sell कर देना है. Target market, this is a laptop for MBA student, this is a notebook for our college students. Tata Nano car, income criteria lower income. Tata Indica, that is indicate for our middle income. And Tata Safari, Tata Hexa, these are called for upper income group. Now we can go for art, science, and profession. The meaning, just you can see that one. If you are going to make an advertisement, it's a required skill and talent to prepare ad campaign. No one can prepare the ad campaign. There should be the certain kind of the skill and knowledge required. You should have that visualization power. Whatever you are thinking in your mind, you are able to put in a black and white on a paper. And आपके दिमाग में भी जो सोच रहेगी वो आपको कागज पे उतारनी आनी चाहिए. You should be on that kind of the skill. Therefore, advertising is an art. Then science, at the taken the admission for 11th class. हमें ये पता था 10th पास होने के बाद there are basically 3 streams. एक कॉमर्स होगा, आर्ट्स होगा, साइंस होगा. And we have taken the commerce, etc. तो साइंस किसे कहा जाएगा? Science is called, science is basically divided into 2 science. One is a pure science, another is a social science. अगर आप 11th में एडमिशन लेते इन साइंस फैकल्टी, इन साइंस स्ट्रीम, आपको फिजिक्स होता, केमिस्ट्री होता, बायोलॉजी होता, मैथ्स होता, अलजेब्रा, ज्योमेट्री एक्सेट्रा. दीज आर दी प्योर साइंस होता है. There is a basically formula 2 + 2 is 4. And another is the social sciences. Social means society. We are the part of the society. Society is a made of the human being. यानी हमें प्रोडक्ट किसे बेचना है? सोसाइटी को बेचना है. सोसाइटी का मतलब क्या होगा? कॉमन पीपल. कॉमन पीपल मीन्स वी आर द पीपल. हम लोग होगा. देन वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी द सोशल साइंस. हम लोगों को किसकी पढ़ाई करनी है? सोशल साइंस की पढ़ाई करनी है. वी हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई लाइक्स एंड डिसलाइक्स ऑफ द कस्टमर. And as per their requirement, we are going to sell the product. उनका जो requirement होगा उस तरह से मुझे product बेचना है. Exactly. That is called the science. Then advertising is a part of a science, but it is a social science. क्या होगा? Social science होगा, which are going to deal with the human being, that is a customer. And profession, then we can say the 20 साल पहले, 30 years back, there was only one scooter. 30 साल पहले there was only one scooter था. Now we can see a lot of the bikes are available, Activas are available, lot of the two-wheelers are available. Now it's a perfect competition, holistic approach. 20 या 30 साल पहले there was only toothpaste, Colgate था वहाँ पे. Now we can see there are 10 or 20 toothpaste are available. Colgate, Pepsodent, Cibaca, Danta Kranti, these are the various toothpaste available. Therefore, everybody know there is a tough competition in the market. They want the best ad campaign, they want the 100% result, and therefore they can take the help from the professional peoples also. That is called the profession. Now we can go for here, build image. Now look at the here. I would like to show this some of the example. A toilet picture famous होने के बाद, the Harpic, the earlier model was, the brand ambassador was Vishal. Now you know very well about Akshay Kumar is the brand ambassador for Harpic. यानी अक्षय कुमार की टॉयलेट मूवी फेमस होने के बाद Akshay can become the brand ambassador for the Harpic, and we have seen the advertisement on television everywhere. Akshay Kumar दिखाएंगे और टॉयलेट क्लीनिंग का scenario we are going to see that one. That is called the build image होगा. Now we can go here. One of the famous personalities here, Amitabh Bachchan. We are going to purchase 1 rupee sachet also, Navratna oil. Now we can say with the help of the brand ambassador, with the help of this famous personality, with the help of the Bollywood actress, actresses, sports person, we can increase the name and reputation of the brand. That is called Pappu Pass ho gaya, Cadbury Dairy Milk advertisement. I just you can see on the YouTube also, whether have you seen or not. Then Harpic, it's a quite famous Akshay Kumar. Then we can say with the help of these are the person, we can increase the image of our company as well as the products also. Now look at the here 10th one, create awareness. As I mentioned, अगर मैं आई एम क्रेजी अबाउट द सेल्फी, आई वांट टू टेक माय फोटोज, तो मुझे इसके लिए क्या चाहिए? ओप्पो मोबाइल फोन चाहिए. हाउ कैन गेट दैट आइडिया? आई एम गोइंग टू सी द एडवर्टाइजमेंट. द एडवर्टाइजमेंट प्रोवाइड ऑल द इंफॉर्मेशन. Look at the here, Oppo your mobile phone. Advertisement not only attract the attention, but also provide the lot of the awareness about the products, etc., the use of the product, features of the product, price of the product, and even also they have provided a lot of the information whether it's environmental friendly or not. Even I would like to suggest my all the students, अब Colgate का जो toothpaste होगा, whatever the toothpaste we are using, that one, just you can see on the packing on that toothpaste, there is a red circle, or you can say red or green circle. अगर green circle रहेगा वहाँ पे, it's a indicate environmental friendly product. If your toothpaste is having the red circle, that's a indicate on a packing, that's a indicate in that toothpaste a chemical or substance are used. ये कहा जाता है exactly environmental friendly or not. We can get the easily idea. That is called the create awareness. Now look at the here. If I have a 1 lakh rupees budget and you know very well about, then I can go for the iPhone mobile phone, the best quality mobile phone. That is, I can get the idea through the advertisement. Now diverse group, as I mentioned, whatever the advertisement I have seen on the television, if I want to purchase Colgate, I have to go to the retail shop, wholesale shop, I have to go to DMart, Reliance, etc. These are people called as a wholesaler, retailer, supplier. These are directly, indirectly related in a advertising process. That is called as a diverse group. Now look at the here. The next point is that element of marketing mix. It's a simple meaning. Marketing mix means प्रोडक्ट, प्राइस, प्लेस, प्रमोशन, एंड एडवर्टाइजिंग इज अ पार्ट ऑफ द प्रमोशन. हम लोग एडवर्टाइजमेंट कर रहे हैं, हम लोग हमारा प्रोडक्ट प्रमोट कर रहे हैं इन द मार्केट. वी वांट टू क्रिएट अवेयरनेस, वी वांट टू provide our product information to the people. The people should understand the features of our product. We like to force them to purchase our product. That is called the promotion कहा जाएगा. Advertising is a part of the promotion. It's a part of the promotion. Now we can go here. Then facilitated to the customer. As I mentioned, अगर मुझे लग्जरी मोबाइल को, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू कैन लुक एट द हियर, इफ आई वांट टू परचेस लग्जरी मोबाइल फोन, आई हैव a 1 lakh rupees budget, I can go for the iPhone. And if I want to purchase the selfie mobile, I can go for the Oppo mobile phone. These are the information I have got through the advertisement. Then we can say at the last end, I would like to say that one, the features, characteristics, nature, objective, essential elements, all these are the synonymous words. समान अर्थ वाले शब्द होते थे. And even also I would like to mention here, before the 2 years back, in a normal situation, there was an offline paper. यानी 2 साल पहले, due to the pandemic lockdown situation, now we are giving the online examination. But before that, there was an offline examination. तो वहाँ पे क्वेश्चन थोड़ा डिफरेंट तरह से पूछा जाता था. दे डोंट आस्क यू डायरेक्टली राइट द फीचर्स, राइट द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स. वहां पे क्या लिखेंगे? राइट द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ द एडवर्टाइजमेंट, राइट द ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ द एडवर्टाइजमेंट. यार बच्चों के दिमाग में यही होता था, अरे फीचर्स पता है मुझे, कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स पता है, व्हाट आर द एलिमेंट्स? देन वी कैन से फीचर्स, कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स, नेचर, ऑब्जेक्टिव, एसेंशियल एलिमेंट्स, ऑल दीज आर सिनोनिमस वर्ड्स ऑफ द फीचर्स. इन सबका एक ही नाम होगा, फीचर्स होगा. और किस तरह से याद रखना है मुझे? मीनिंग में सर ने बोला था, लैटिन वर्ड था, एडवर्टरी था, टू टर्न द माइंड्स टुवर्ड्स अस. दिमाग खींच लेना है, एडवर्टाइजमेंट अट्रैक्ट द अटेंशन, और हमें फोर्स किया जाता है प्रोडक्ट खरीदने के लिए. मीनिंग खत्म हुआ हमारा. द डेफिनेशन इटसेल्फ इज हैविंग द 4 फीचर्स. अमेरिकन मार्केटिंग एसोसिएशन ने दिया था, पेड फॉर्म, नॉन पर्सनल प्रेजेंटेशन, आइडिया, गुड्स एंड सर्विस, आइडेंटिफाइड स्पॉन्सर था. फिर उसके बाद सर ने बोला था CAT, कैट, C फॉर क्रिएटिविटी, A फॉर ऑल परवेसिव, T फॉर टारगेट, देन ABCDEF, A फॉर आर्ट, साइंस एंड प्रोफेशन, B फॉर बिल्ड इमेज, C फॉर क्रिएट अवेयरनेस, D फॉर डाइवर्स ग्रुप, E for element of marketing mix, F for facilitated to the customer, facilitated to the customer. These are the 13 features. With the help of these are the abbreviation. I can remember by any time. You can tell me, अगर आप मुझे 2 साल 3 साल कभी भी मुझे आप पूछेंगे सर टेल मी द फीचर्स ऑफ द एडवर्टाइजिंग, तो मेरे दिमाग में यही था, डेफिनेशन में 4 फीचर्स है और बाकी के फीचर्स मुझे किस तरह से लिखना है, CAT कैट ABCDEF, ये मैं वर्ड्स लिखूंगा एंड आई एम एबल टू राइट ऑल द 13 फीचर्स। और एडवर्टाइजिंग का मतलब क्या होगा, लैटिन वर्ड था, एडवर्टरे था एंड टू टर्न द माइंड्स टूवर्ड्स था। Now students, these are the shortcuts to remember, and I have gone through these here. Even also I would like to go for the another questions is here. Another questions is here. Look at the here. I have taken this some of the techniques. Now look at the here. Now what are the questions is here? Not more than 5 to 10 minutes. I am going to complete this also. Active parties involved in advertising process. What are the parties involved in advertising process? Active parties in advertising process means those who have directly and indirectly involved in advertising process, such as audience, advertiser, media, ad agency, production houses, government authority, and marketing research firm. And students, here is the one of the technique. मैं आपको एक टेक्निक बता रहा हूँ. These are the 7 parties. ये 7 parties, if you want to remember, if you want to memorize, if you want to recollect for the long time, the technique is here. Now look at the technique. Now I would like to show the advertisement. Please see the advertisement.
So what's the plan, guys?
कुछ अलग,
No clutch?
easy shift, gear changes automatically. खाना अलग,
I'm good.
all new GenX Nano Easy Shift.
Yes, we have seen the advertisement on television. हम लोगों ने टाटा नैनो का टेलीविजन में देखा. This is our answer. यही हमारा आंसर होगा. This is our technique to remember all the 7 points. Now look at the here. I am watching टाटा नैनो on television. मैं टाटा नैनो का एड टीवी पे देख रहा हूँ. I am watching टाटा नैनो एड टेलीविजन. तो आई का मतलब होगा IN में कस्टमर कहा जाएगा, ऑडियंस कहा जाएगा. किसकी एडवर्टाइजमेंट देखी मैंने, टाटा नैनो की देखी, उसे सेलर कहा जाएगा, एडवर्टाइजर कहा जाएगा. और मैंने कहाँ पे देखा है, टेलीविजन पे देखा है. टेलीविजन को क्या कहा जाएगा, मीडिया कहा जाएगा. स्टूडेंट्स, आई हैव रिटन दिस सेंटेंस, आई एम वॉचिंग टाटा नैनो एड ऑन टेलीविजन. यानी IN मैंने देखा, we have seen, हम लोगों ने देखा है. We are the common people, we are the customer, we are called as a audience. हमें audience कहा जाएगा. और audience का मीनिंग भी मैं बताऊंगा एग्जैक्टली. देन किसका ऐड देखा हम लोगों ने, टाटा नैनो का एडवर्टाइजमेंट. That's a product, that Tata Nano. Who is the advertiser? Tata Nano. Who is the seller? Tata. That is the advertiser. और कहाँ पे देखा, television. We have seen on the television. That's a media. The answer is here. Now look at the here. For example, I am watching Tata Nano and television. I means audience. मुझे आप audience कहेंगे. किसे देखा मैंने, टाटा नैनो को एडवर्टाइजर कहेंगे और टेलीविजन को हम लोग मीडिया कहेंगे. Now go for the Tata. Tata is having so many products. Tata के कितने प्रोडक्ट है, Tata Steel, Tata a lot of the product, Tata shares, then Tata cars are there, Tata a lot of the products having the Tata. Even also we are using the 10 rupees product in our kitchens also. टाटा सॉल्ट इज देयर. यानी टाटा का 10 रुपए का प्रोडक्ट है, टाटा की 10 लाख की कार है, टाटा की जैगुआर कार है, करोड़ों की भी कार है. टाटा इज हैविंग द प्रोडक्ट फ्रॉम 10 रुपीज टू लाख, लाख टू करोड़, करोड़ टू मिलियंस आल्सो. यानी टाटा के इतने प्रोडक्ट्स है. टाटा डजंट हैव टाइम टू कंसंट्रेट ऑन एडवर्टाइजिंग. टाटा के पास इतना टाइम नहीं है. देन ही इज गोइंग टू फोकस ऑन द एडवर्टाइजमेंट. देयरफॉर ही कैन टेक दिस सर्विसेज फ्रॉम द एड एजेंसी. यानी टाटा क्या कर रहा है, एडवर्टाइजिंग का काम किसे दे रहा है, एड एजेंसी को दे रहा है. तो फोर्थ पार्टी क्या होगा, एड एजेंसी का होगा. वी हैव टेकन दिस सेम एग्जांपल. मैंने टाटा नैनो की एड देखा, तो आप मुझे ऑडियंस कहेंगे, टाटा को एडवर्टाइजर कहेंगे, टीवी को मीडिया कहेंगे. टाटा के इतने सारे प्रोडक्ट है. टाटा डजंट हैव दैट टाइम टू प्रिपेयर हिज ओन एड कैंपेन. देयरफॉर ही कैन टेक द हेल्प फ्रॉम द एड एजेंसी. एड एजेंसी का हेल्प ले लेगा टाटा. और मुझे ये पता है फैक्ट्री और ऑफिसेस होता है, trading and profit and loss account होता है, boss and manager they are sitting in offices, but those who are the worker they are actual doing the work on machinery. and फैक्ट्री में जो मशीनरी होगा वहां पे वर्कर एक्चुअल काम कर रहे हैं, तो मुझे पता होगा एड एजेंसी में जो एक्चुअल काम करेगा, हु इज गोइंग टू प्रिपेयर द एड कैंपेन, उसे क्या कहा जाएगा, प्रोडक्शन हाउसेस और फर्म्स कहा जाएगा. Those who are the creative people, those who are the artists, those who are the copywriter, those who are the visualizer, these are working in a production houses or firms में कहा जाएगा. And the next, at the time of the preparing the Tata कभी Reliance को गाली नहीं देगा. Tata is not going to abuse to the Reliance. Tata is not going to do the bad publicity of the Reliance, and vice versa also. Reliance also not going to do the same thing. Airtel and Jio, there is a competition. Airtel and Jio, there is a competition, but Airtel is never going to criticize Jio, and Jio is never going to criticize the Airtel, because they have controlled by government authority. यानी Reliance Jio को बारे में कुछ नहीं बोलेगा, Jio Reliance के बारे में कुछ नहीं बोलेगा. Tata is not going to say bad words about the Reliance. Reliance is not going to say the bad words, because they are going to control by in advertising government authority. तो हम लोग ये 6 पॉइंट्स आराम के साथ याद रखेंगे. मैंने ऐड देखा, आई मीन्स ऑडियंस, टाटा नैनो यानी एडवर्टाइजर, टीवी यानी मीडिया होगा, टाटा के बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट है, देयरफॉर ही कैन गिव हिज वर्क टू द एड एजेंसी, और एड एजेंसी में जो रियल काम करेगा दैट इज कॉल्ड द प्रोडक्शन हाउसेस और फर्म्स कहा जाएगा. और टाटा रिलायंस को गाली नहीं देगा, रिलायंस टाटा को गाली नहीं देगा, दे आर गोइंग टू कंट्रोल्ड बाय government authority. The government is involved in the advertising process. With the help of the example, we can easily remember the 6 or 7 points. ये example मेरे दिमाग में, I have seen the Tata Nano advertisement on television. I called as an audience. टाटा को एडवर्टाइजर कहा जाएगा, टीवी को मीडिया कहा जाएगा. टाटा के बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट है, टाटा कैन टेक द हेल्प फ्रॉम एड एजेंसी. एड एजेंसी में जैसे फैक्ट्री में वर्कर काम कर रहा है, इन एड एजेंसी द रियल वर्क इज गोइंग टू डू बाय द प्रोडक्शन हाउसेस एंड फर्म्स. एंड द लास्ट वन इज हु इज गोइंग टू कंट्रोल ऑल द प्रोसेस, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अ गवर्नमेंट अथॉरिटी. नाउ लुक एट द हियर, ऑडियंस कहा जाएगा. आई कैन गिव द वन ऑफ द इंटरेस्टिंग एग्जांपल. लुक एट द सेकंड लाइन, थर्ड लाइन, ऑडियंस prospect into regular customer. क्या कहा जाएगा? Now you are the customer, but I am going to say you as an audience. आप customer होंगे, but I am not going to call you as a customer. I am going to say as an audience. Audience ये कहा जाएगा. In our Marathi language, that is called as a प्रेक्षक कहा जाता है उसे. Now I would like to say that one. अगर मैंने, if I would like to do the advertisement here, yes, all my SYBCom students, I would like to make announcement here. I have a TYBCom classes. If you join my TYBCom classes, I can give 90% discount. मेरा TYBCom का क्लास है. If you are going to join in the next year my TYBCom classes, I can give the 90% discount. I have done the advertisement. मैंने advertisement किया. I have given the oral advertisement. आप लोगों ने सुन लिया. अगर 100 स्टूडेंट में से अगर 10 बच्चों ने सोचा यार लेट्स थिंक अबाउट द सर क्लासेस, सर के क्लासेस के बारे में सोचेंगे, द नेक्स्ट ईयर वी आर गोइंग टू प्लान दैट वन. अगर 10 बच्चों ने भी सोचा he is thinking about, let's think about the sir classes, तो मैं उसे क्या कहूंगा, prospect customer कहूंगा, भविष्य में होने वाले. And at the last end, out of these 10 students, only one student paid the fee and joined my classes, that is called as a customer. और 10 में से सिर्फ एक ही स्टूडेंट ने मेरा क्लास ज्वाइन किया, तो मैं उसे क्या कहूंगा, कस्टमर कहूंगा. Have you got or not? समझ में आ रहा है? यानी मैंने 100 लोगों का एडवर्टाइजमेंट की, 10 बच्चों ने सोचा भाई सर के क्लासेस के बारे में देखेंगे, और उसमें से एक ही ने ज्वाइन किया, उसे कस्टमर कहा जाएगा. दैट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द ऑडियंस, prospect and the regular customer. If you are purchasing that product, that time you are the customer. If you are thinking, if you are planning, that is called as an audience. Then we can say advertising is applicable to the common people, that's audience kaha jayega. And just as I mentioned that one, if you are sitting in front of the television, you are called as a viewer. अगर टीवी के सामने बैठेंगे वहां पे लिखा रहेगा viewers लिखा रहेगा. Then if you are listening a radio, you are called as a listener. If you are reading a newspaper, you are called as a readers. These are the common things. If you are watching television, the announcement is here, viewers are then viewers, we are called as a viewers. If you are listening the radio, now mobile phone, FM inbuilt function, we have that one. Now radio is quite famous in a metro city, listeners कहा जाएगा. If you are reading a newspaper, readers कहा जाएगा. Now I am delivering the lecture and you are my student, then I called you as the students कहा जाएगा. You are the common people, but as per the media, as per the role, we are termed as a difference. Then audience होगा, advertiser, Tata, Reliance, etc. Corona vaccination, government, hospital, then college notice, etc. उसे सेलर कहा जाएगा. मीडिया, channel of distribution, lot of the media is having. Then due to the time constraint I am going to fast, and time हमारा कम इसलिए I am going to see. Then ad agency, this is one of the second model, we have that one. We don't have that time to go in a details also. Ad agency, what is exactly that one? Independent organization composed of the creative and the business people who develop and place the idea. Production houses, Balaji Films hoga, Ekta Kapoor, Star Plus, a lot of the serials are here. SRK production, film serials, documentary, Shah Rukh Khan production, lot of they are going to do the advertisement also. Lot of the jobs are available here. Government authority, as I mentioned that one. Reliance never criticize abuse to the Tata, and Tata is doing not vice versa. Because the government is having that control, the code of conducts are there. A lot of the authorities are working there. नाउ मार्केटिंग रिसर्च फर्म्स, ये लिखा है एग्जैक्टली. अगर मैंने आपको बिना पूछे, आई डू नॉट वांट टू कंसर्न विद माय स्टूडेंट्स, अगर मैंने आपके एरिया में विद इन द नवी मुंबई आई हैव परचेस 1 फ्लोर फॉर क्लासेस, मैंने 1 करोड़ का वहां पे इन्वेस्टमेंट कर दिया फॉर स्टार्टिंग द TYB क्लासेस. आई डू नॉट कंसर्न विद द स्टूडेंट्स, आई डू नॉट गिव द एनी एडवर्टाइजमेंट. और मैंने आपको बोला स्टूडेंट्स आई हैव 1 करोड़ इन्वेस्टमेंट इन क्लासेस आर अवेलेबल, प्लीज ज्वाइन माय क्लासेस. अगर आप लोगों ने वहां पे एडमिशन नहीं लिया, व्हाट विल हैपन? I have lost my 1 crore. Therefore, before doing the advertisement, whatever you are going to do, you have to do the marketing research firm. जैसे हम लोग 10th पास होने के बाद, before taking the admission for science, commerce faculty, we are going to collect the certain information. That is called the research किया जाता है. सर कहाँ पे जाएंगे? Arts, commerce, science. Then at the last we can see our percentage matters. Percentage देखेंगे and we are going to select. ऐसे कहा जाएगा. Marketing research firm होगा exactly. Then we have to do the some kind of the research. Then we are going to learn. If I want to start my mobile phone, if I want to start my mobile phone, I know very well about Reliance are there, Tata are there, Airtels are there, Samsung, Oppo, these are theirs. And what are my capacity? What kind of the features I'm going to give the people? I have to think. I have to do the research also. I have to collect the information from the market, whether I'm going to for start production or not. That is called the market research firms. This is the simple way you have to remember. Tata Nano car, yaad rakho, now it's out of market. Tata Nano car, it's one of the finest case study. Definitely you can go through the YouTube channels also and you can see that one. Now student, now we'd like to go for the some of the, now sir, can I take a 10 or 15 minutes more? Hello sir,
Yeah,
am I
carry on,
audible?
sir.
Yes, no problem. Now students, Parle G biscuit, it's a quite famous. I can give the some of the interesting example. 5 और 10 साल पहले आई कैन गो द क्लियर कट, यानी हम लोग 6-7 साल पहले देखेंगे, पार्ले जी का 4 रुपीज का पैक मिलता था, फिर 5 रुपीज का पैक मिलता था. पार्ले जी 5 to 6 year बैक देयर वाज अ 4 रुपीज और 5 रुपीज पैक वाज अवेलेबल. उतना अवेलेबल होता था. अगर मुझे 2 चाहिए 3 चाहिए उतना मैं कलेक्ट कर लेता था. बट नाउ टाइम्स यू नो वेरी वेल अबाउट पार्ले जी 1 रुपीज पैक, 2 rupee pack, then 10 rupees pack, then even also family pack, then 50 rupees pack, 60 rupees packs are available, 17, 80 rupees packs are available hota tha. Now tell me what are the difference? What from the last 10 or 20 years we have seen the lot of the changes happening in the Parle G. नाम तो सेम है लेकिन साइज में चेंज हुआ, कलर पैकेजिंग आर द बोथ सेम, लेकिन देयर आर द डिफरेंट इन साइज. द क्वेश्चन कम्स इन माय माइंड, द क्वेश्चंस अबाउट द Parle G. Look at the here. This is your family pack, more than 60-70 rupees. Now what are the campaign of the Parle G over the period? Last 10-15 साल से what are the campaigns we have seen the Parle G? Parle G की कौन कौन से ऐड आप लोगों ने देखा है पिछले 10-15 साल से? And what are the products having Parle G? प्रोडक्ट के Parle G के कौन कौन से प्रोडक्ट हो गए? Even also I would like to ask the question of my students. So आप बताएंगे what are the products having the Parle G? Parle G के कौन कौन से प्रोडक्ट है? 99% हमें यही पता है सर. Parle G बिस्किट हमें पता है exactly. And only only 2 or 3 students or few students know about the other products. Now we can see here what kind of the Parle G campaign. Now I would like to show some of the advertisement. Now at the last end I'm going to give the answer. The advertisement itself is having the answer. Now look at the here. This is the first advertisement.
Checkmate. पार्ले जी खाने वाले बच्चों से बच के रहना। पार्ले जी माने जीनियस।
In earlier time, that was G Mane glucose biscuit. Now second advertisement. It is one of the finest case study.
Ria?
Yes, mom.
The bonding between the brother and sister. The Parle G ad campaign.
लड़ाई खुद स्टार्ट करती हो फिर इतू सी बात पर होती हो
वरुण? वरुण बहन है तुम्हारी।
नो शी इज नॉट माय सिस्टर गुड़िया क्यूटी बबली जो भी है तुम्हारा मुझे तो सिर्फ डरपोक लगती हो तुम्हें चिढ़ाने का अपना ही एक स्वाद है वरना तुम्हारा बिस्किट क्या मेरे बिस्किट से खास है ये क्रिकेट और ये फुटबॉल दोनों बोरिंग सेम टू सेम है और तुम्हें परेशान करना मेरा फेवरेट गेम है इस जोर को कभी भी छूटने ना दूं एक और जिसके मैं हूँ एक
हम सभी की जिंदगी में कोई ना कोई पार्ले जी है। तो आप किस तरह यू आर माय पार्ले जी।
Yeah, it's a real story. They have given the certain hints also. It is a Parle G campaign, and I think so. Look at here.
पापा सच बोल रहे हैं सर इन्हें तो ये भी नहीं याद था कि इन सब के नाम बदलकर फेब जैमिन फेब बर्बन और फेब मिल्की सैंडविच हो गए हैं
कैसी बात हो यार
आई नो
नया नाम वही ग्रेट टेस्ट। पार्ले का फैब बर्गर, फैब जैमिन, फैब मिल्की सैंडविच। नाम तो याद रहेगा।
Yeah, look at these are the products having the Parle G also. Now the last advertisement you can see. It is basically for the YouTube advertisement.
इतना तेल
कल तक जिन उंगलियों में जादू हुआ करता था पता नहीं उनमें ये कोलेस्ट्रॉल कहाँ से चिपक गया धीरे धीरे सब कुछ बदल गया
तनु जल्दी करो यार
बस 2 मिनट।
शो मिस हो जाएगा
मामा आगे चलो ना।
माँ को कहाँ अंग्रेजी फिल्म समझ आएगी लेट हो रहा है जल्दी आओ यार
पहले जिनके बगैर चैन नहीं आता था अब उनकी याद भी नहीं आती
माँ कैसा लगा अच्छा है ना तनु लेकर आई है तनु तुम ना बहुत सही हो एक और है माँ वो दूसरा वाला मैं लेकर आता हूँ
ऐसा नहीं कि तारीफों का मौसम गुजर गया सिर्फ उनका हकदार बदल गए
कितनी अच्छी पार्टी थी फूड डेकोर म्यूजिक और फिर तुम्हें नहीं लगता कि वो
It's okay.
माँ आज मेरे हाथ की चाय पियोगे
प्रमोशन तुम्हें बताया ही नहीं।
सबसे पहले माँ को बताना था।
इस डोर को कभी भी छूटने ना दूं, एक और जिसके मैं हूँ।
हम सभी की जिंदगी में कोई ना कोई पाल लीजिए, तो आप किसे कहोगे? यू आर माय पाल लीजिए।
These are the real cases, and which have been in the form of the advertisement, and the answer is here. यानी हम लोगों ने we have seen the 4 types of the advertisement, यानी last हम लोगों ने 10-15 साल में देखा था, and the last 2 advertisement about the 3 minute 2 minutes, it's a more than 2 or 3 minutes advertisement, which is basically for the YouTube advertisement. Now it's a time for the online, it's a time for the internet media. Now those who are the advertisers, they have shifted their focus from television to the internet also, social platform also. Therefore we have seen the lot of the advertisement. You are my Parle-G 5-minute 6-minute ad campaign on YouTube channels also, because now there are a lot of the subscriber and there are a lot of the audience on the YouTube also. Now these are the products having the Parle-G, यानी हमें जो पता था Parle-G का बिस्किट था, but now look at the here Parle-G 2020 Magix, Milk Shakti, Melody, Mango Bite chocolate, then Poppins, then London Dairy, then Kiss Me Toffee Bar, Monaco, Crack Jack, Fruity, Ape, Parle Whistler is also there. These are the various products having the Parle-G. लेकिन हमें ये क्या पता था, यानी हमें अभी तक we know Parle-G biscuit है exactly. Now this is one of the interesting case study, and they have go focus on the Parle-G campaign YouTube advertisement also. Now students, now as I mentioned that one, now we are going to for the one of the interesting quiz also. Now look at the here. Now which one is a different? Now only 5 minutes, not more than. Even also I have online quizzes also, but due to the time constraint I can focus on here. Can you tell me exactly? You can use your chat box also, you can give me the answer. Which one is a different? You can enlarge your mobile screen also, and you have to see the lion face, which is a different. कौन सा lion face different है? You can take a screenshot also, and at the end of the lecture you are going to solve that one. You can give me the answer. There are how many rows are there? 1 2 3 4 5. You have to give me the answer. Where is the exactly the different face of the lion? See properly. Use your conscious subconscious mind. You should be alert, your mind should be alert, and you have to see the what is the exactly difference, and where is that difference. The answer is that I would like to give the answer. Look at the here, the 4th row and the 3rd one lion face you can see, as compared to other, it's the smallest or thin. अगर हम लोग बाकी की comparison करेंगे, ये छोटा और smallest है exactly. It's a common, it's a simple puzzle. Now it's a one of the difficult. Now give me the answer here. Take a screenshot here. Now you are going to give me the answer here. Now we can treat them as a coconut tree. हम वहाँ पे 3 tree देख रहे. There are basically 3 trees are there, coconut trees, and the is equal to summation is that 30, and the value for each tree is a 10. 3 tree है, 3 पेड़ है वहाँ पे, और उसका total 30 दिया है, तो सबका क्या होगा? The value for one tree is a 10 10 10 कहा जाएगा. Now look at the year second. We have a 1 tree, 10 होगा, and there are the flower pot. We can say as a bucket or flower pot कहा जाएगा. And look at the carefully. There are the 2 buckets. It's a pair. वहाँ पे जोड़ी है bucket का, 2 buckets are there. Now look at the here. 2 buckets are here. 2 buckets are here. Then we can say 7 7. Then 14s are here. 14s are here, and the total is a 38 here. Now look at the here. Cup saucer. चाय कप है आपका cup saucers, and the total value is 18. Then 6 and the 6. Then we have got the value. The coconut tree 10 points, bucket 7 points, single, or cup saucer 6. And the question is that the last one you can see and give me the answer. What is the exactly that one? क्या आंसर होगा आप लोगों का? Just you can give me that answer. It's some of the interesting thing. Yes, use your mind also. Make it calculation, and you can give me the message. I can't see your message even also. Just you can give me the message also, not an issue. Just take a screenshot. Just take a screenshot and give me the answer that one. What is exactly that one? This is one of the interesting quick, and I can give the challenge. Out of the 90% students are not able to solve this one. आप लोगों को लगेगा Can anybody tell me what is the exactly answer that one? Even also I have certain quiz also. This is the one of the quiz also. Then now look at the here. This take a screenshot here. Then I will discuss the quiz also. Now look at the here. Can you tell me? Look at the here. There are the 5 pictures are there. Look at the first picture, second picture, third picture, fourth picture, and the fifth picture. Now you can tell me what will be the in a 6 box. कौन सा डिजाइन होगा वहां पे? What will be the design in the 6 box? Look at the picture carefully. क्या करेंगे? Look at the first picture, first box, second box, third box, fourth box, and the fifth box. What would be the next under the 6 box? 6 box में क्या आएगा? You can tell me exactly. What would be the under the 6 box? The answer is here. Can you see the carefully? अगर आप first box देखेंगे, here is a 1. We have written 1 और उसका मिरर इमेज है, यानी आईने में दिखने वाला इमेज है. इन अ सेकेंड बॉक्स वी हैव रिटन सेकेंड. सेकेंड बॉक्स में हम लोगों ने सेकेंड लिखा है और उसकी इमेज हम लोगों ने आईने में देखा है. वी हैव रिटन 3 हियर, द इमेज मिरर इमेज इज हियर. वी हैव रिटन द 4 हियर, द इमेज मिरर इज हियर. We have written the 5 here, the image is here. Then we are going to write here 6 and then we can get the mirror image here also. Now this is the one of the interesting quiz also. When I was a 6, my neighbor was half of my age. जब मैं 6 साल का था, मेरा neighbor half of the my age था, यानी 3 साल का था. Now I am a 71. Now the puzzle is that what is the age of my neighbor? मेरे neighbor की age क्या होगी? Now take a screenshot. Please take a screenshot. Please take a screenshot. And you can give me the answer also. Now a lot of the questions also. Now you can give me the answer. Now I would like to stop the sharing. Yes, student, for the interesting fact, I have shared the 4 or 5 quizzes also. Yes, whatever you are having any doubt, any query, you can ask me. And even also, I would like to give the answer some of the quiz also. Just we can solve the one quiz. हम लोग एक quiz solve करेंगे. जो मैंने tree बोला था, the coconut tree exactly. What is the exactly answer? Can anybody tell me? Can you type in a chat box? Whether students are able to write in a chat box. 114 not wrong. Wrong answer. Wrong answer. Manal is a wrong answer. Pawan wrong answer. Go for. No. Wrong answer. Then Shraddha not correct answer. Viraj not correct answer. Not correct answer. Coconut tree दिखाया था exactly. Then Pawan not correct. Then Bhavna not correct. Shruti not correct answer exactly. Vishal not possible. Then Pravila not exactly. Then Sheetal not correct answer. Let's think about that one. 3 नारियल का tree दिखाया था. Then flower pots are there. What is the exact answer that one? Kunal not correct. Kunal not correct. Just हम लोग नारियल tree का solve करेंगे exactly due to the time permit. Then Manali not correct. Then Kunal not correct. How is it possible? I can give the answer also that one. Look at the careful. Once more, I would like to share that screen, and I would like to give that answer. Then we are going to stop here. Just a minute. I would like to share the screen once more time. Yes, is it visible to all of you? Look at the here. Now I would like to give the answer. Look at the here carefully. Coconut tree. 10 value है coconut tree का. 10 value है. We have got that one. और जो bucket दिखाया, that's a flower pot. We call as a flower pot. There are the 2 buckets are here. तो 14 होगा. तो 7 value for that one. उसका 7 value होगा. Then we have got the information. Then cup saucer 18 दिखाया तो 6 value होगा. Now look at the here the 4th picture. यहाँ पे प्लस सिंबल है और यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लिकेशन सिंबल है. लुक एट द हियर मल्टीप्लिकेशन सिंबल हियर. तो यहाँ पे मुझे मल्टीप्लाई कर देना है. यार सर्टेन स्टूडेंट्स हैव गिवन द आंसर 102 102 किसी ने आंसर दिया था बट दे 90% करेक्ट. बट लुक एट द पिक्चर केयरफुली. आप पिक्चर्स देखो कोकोनट ट्री है बट लुक एट द बिलो ऑफ द कोकोनट ट्री एट द बॉटम देयर इज अ फ्लावर पॉट. कोकोनट ट्री कहाँ पे है? फ्लावर पॉट के अंदर में. तो कोकोनट ट्री 10 पॉइंट्स है, फ्लावर पॉट 7 पॉइंट्स है, 10 और 7, इसकी वैल्यू होगी 70, 17, 17 वैल्यू। कब सॉसर 6 वैल्यू, 70 6 102, 102 होगा, और ये 7 उसमें ऐड करेंगे, द आंसर इज 109, द आंसर इज 109, द आंसर इज 109 बिकॉज ऑफ कोकोनट ट्री की जो 10 वैल्यू है, then we are having the same flower pot, coconut tree का flower pot 17 value, और यहाँ पे 6 value, 17 6 are 102 and plus 7, that is called as a 109. And look at the here, this is the answer. When I was a 6, my neighbor was half of my age, यानी मैं 6 साल का था, तो हम लोग नेबर की जगह पे अपना भाई देखेंगे। If I was a 6-year-old, तो मेरा भाई 3 साल का था, then what is the exactly difference? दोनों के बीच में कितना डिफरेंस है? 3 सालों का डिफरेंस है। नाउ आई एम 71, अगर आप में 71 का होगा तो मेरा भाई जो नेबर था वो कितने साल का होगा? मेरे से 3 साल छोटा होगा। नाउ ही इज 68, यहाँ पे आंसर किसका होगा? 68 होगा। कुछ बच्चों ने हाफ ऑफ करके दिया था, not that answer. And at the last, yes students, if you're having any question answer, you can ask me the questions also. And as I mentioned that one, for the theory subject, if you are going to read 5 to 10 pages, at the last end you should be able to memorize within the 1 pages. 10-15 pages पढ़ने के बाद जितना भी आप करेंगे, आपको शॉर्टकट में कुछ ना कुछ बनाना है. You should memorize in a 1 pages. That is a technique to score highest marks in the theory subject. Yes, if you're having any questions, any doubt, you can ask me. Even also, I would like to thank you. First of all, I would like to thank you for the management as well as the Dr. Saib Rao Oval sir, principal of the Veer Vasekar Arts, Science and Commerce College, for giving this opportunity to express my view, to take the guidance lecture for the SY BCom students. Thank you very much. Even also, I would like to thank you, Bhushan sir, and all the teaching staff of the Veer Vasekar College, those who have helped me and those who have delivered the lecture on our college students also. And we hope we'll be continuing a lot of the activity in the futures also. Yes, thank you all of you.
Thank you, sir. Old sir, would you share something?
Yeah, just a minute. Today, our Oval sir, Dheeraj Oval sir, has given the nice lecture in the series of faculty exchange lecture. Sir, your lecture is very innovative, creative, and whatever may be the information which you have given, that is remembering to all of our students, various tactics, various techniques, various ideas you have used in the advertisement lecture. And I appreciate when the students are not remembering anything, how the tactics are to be used. The sir has given here some features, characteristics of the advertisement. In that, the 4 characteristics are there in the particular definition, and remaining cat A, B, C, D, E. So such type of abbreviations you can always use for remembering the things which you have studied, or when you are studied and going to face the examination. At that time, you use such types of abbreviations. So that is my observation, and very nice lecture which is conducted by Dr. Dheeraj Oval sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Bhushan sir, now.
Okay, sir, again I would like to thank you for giving us such a nice lecture on advertising. At the start, you explained brand and difference between brand and product in a simple example, with a simple example, and we understood very well. Our students also understood very well. And as the sir told you that features of advertising, which you explained, shortcut idea, the technique to remember, like cat, CAT cat and ABCDEF. Very nice, sir. It is a good technique, sir, to remember the points of the long answer question. Then parties involved in advertising process, that explain you in a single advertisement, and the punchline which you made, I am watching Tata Nano ad on TV. Definitely that will help to our students to remember that question too. Sir, such a very nice lecture. We also enjoyed that advertises which you shown and all the things which you explained to us. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Yeah,
And
Okay,
thank
sir.
you all of
I
you.
would like to thank our
Okay, tomorrow,
principal, sir.
tomorrow we are having the lecture of accountancy, and
Yes,
at 10,
accountancy, financial
yeah, yeah,
accountancy
10
is
a.m.
there.
all the students are requested to remain present and join before 5 to 10 minutes of the particular schedule. Okay, thank you one and all.
Okay, sir.
Sir.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Okay,
thank you
sir.
all the participants for your precious listening. Thank you, Oval sir and Bhushan sir. Thank you all the teaching faculty of the Veer Vasekar College. Thank you, sir.
Okay, can I
Okay.
clear that is end now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
You can
sir.
end them
Okay,
there.
okay, okay, okay.
Okay.